Hello and welcome. I'm Harish, and in this channel, we talk about building without coding. Today, I have a tool that is a super simple, easy to use, and also fun to experience. You can generate music or rap or even custom voice using your own voice through this tool, which is called uberduck. And like you can see on the screen, you can make music with AI vocals. And let's see what this tool is all about and how you can potentially use this tool in your projects. All right, the tool is very simple. It's called uberduck.ai. It lets you create rap as a basic example, or you can also generate beats, specific music for the content that you create, be it a YouTube video or any other content that you create, or you can use your own voice and convert text to your own voice so that you can use it, in your projects, right? Like you can see, there are four things that you can do, which is choose a beat, then generate lyrics, and then choose which voice you want. And at the end of the process, you will have a rap song. And that is the demo that we're going to see today. The tool is obviously not free. Again, they have a free plan. Let's quickly look at the pricing before actually trying out the tool. They have a free plan, which lets you use 300 render credits per month. Now, what are render credits? You can see by going to the help section, which is each second of audio costs 1 credit, right? Now, with that, these are the other plans that are available. The tool is going to be bloody worth it once you try it. So do give it a shot. These are all the things that you can do. Convert text to speech. You can generate rap. Then you can also clone your own voice and convert text to your own voice and get the recording. Or then you can also make AI sing or rap for you. Like I said, we are going to create a rap and see how it works. First step is we're going to select AI generated rap. The first step of AI generated rap is to select a beat. Right? Once you click on play, you should be able to listen to the beat, and then you can decide which beat you want to go with. You can also add your beat, but for that, you'll have to upgrade your account. Let's see. Let's try this. Okay, the beat looks cool to me. I'm going to select it. Right? Once I select it, I should have an option called save and continue at the bottom. This also works on mobile, so don't worry. You can try it on mobile also. You can select the beat, then click save and continue. Then it will ask you for your lyrics. You can use custom lyrics or let the AI generate for you. It shows one verse because I've already tried this tool out multiple times because I have on a free plan. But if you upgrade, you will get multiple verses. That's my prompt, and I'm asking the AI to generate lyrics for us. Let's see what lyrics it generates. So we set the beat. Now we are generating the lyrics. Right, it generated the lyrics for us. When you try this tool out for the first time, it will generate 3 verses, so don't worry about it. You can also use your own lyrics. That's also an option that you can use. The lyrics look good, so I'm going to click next. The third step is to choose the voice. Which voice, right? Create a custom voices. You can upload your own voice, right? And the rap will be in your own voice. But for the sake of this demo, I'll pick one of these rappers, or you can also choose characters, right? I'm going to pick Big G.
Stop posting about Among Us. I'm tired of seeing it.
Let's see.
Believe in your journey, let no one change your course. With a heart full of dreams, you're an unstoppable force.
Each word's a paint stroke on the canvas of the beat, coloring the world with love and kindness.
Okay, let's pick this one. Once you select, you can click on generate rap, and it should generate the rap for us. Let's see. That's all. The rap is generated. Once I click play, you should be able to hear the rap. You can also remix it, share the link with your friends, or download it. It does have a watermark at the end. When I play, you will realize what the watermark is about. But if you upgrade, that will be gone. So let's now listen to the rap. Full screen. And let's go.
I'm looking up at the sky, feeling so alive. The stars in the moon, they make me feel so high. The sun is shining bright like a spotlight on the beauty of the world. It's such a sight.
For full access to uberduck, sign up for our premium plan.
Right, that's the rap. That's how you can use AI to generate a rap song for you. Like I said, there are multiple use cases. You can use your own AI, your own voice model to convert text to speech. You can use it to generate AI rap. Then you can also use it to just convert from text to speech. The pricing plan, like I mentioned before, they do have a free plan, but 300 render credits only per month. But apart from that, you can also do voice to voice, which is generate high quality voices by converting your audio to a different voice, which means you can convert somebody's voice into somebody else's. You can get your own favorite characters to talk in different voices, which is a fun experiment to try it out. But yes, that's an example of an AI generated rap using uberduck.ai. The link to the tool is in the description below. If you like this content, drop a like to the video and consider subscribing, because I keep bringing new tools almost every week, and subscribing will help me do more. With that, we come to the end of this video and see you in the next one. Please.